Hi everyone, my name is Adio Richard Philip and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a subdomain in cPanel and install your WordPress. I think we all know how to log into our cPanel. Okay, so if you don't know how to log into your cPanel, you can just put your domain /cPanel. I got my own from Namecheap, my both hosting and the domain from Namecheap. So like my domain is richkings.com.ng, then richkings.com.ng/cPanel. When you register your hosting, they will send you the cPanel details, so you can just put your username and password. To log in directly, or you can log in through this second method. Come to your Namecheap account, your hosting list. You see richkings.com.ng, then you click here to go to cPanel directly. Click here to log into your cPanel directly. You see that is very easy. So we have logged into our cPanel now. We enter our cPanel, scroll down to subdomain. Let's click on subdomains. We already have a domain which is richkings.com.ng, so we want to create a subdomain. What will be at the front of our domain? I can just put main or any name, just put any name. So let me show you what the name you'll be putting in front of it here in this box means. Like, don't forget my domain is richkings.com.ng. So we are creating a subdomain now. You know, subdomains, they are part of a domain that comes before the main domain name and domain extension. So if you are creating the subdomain now, maybe I want to put main as my subdomain. It's going to be main.richkings.com.ng. If you want to put shop, if you want to put any other store or any other name, it's going to be store.richkings.com.ng, shop.richkings.com.ng. So we get it now. So I just want to make use of main. The domain is richkings.com.ng. So you can see how it's going to be. That is main.richkings.com.ng. Then we click on create. It has been created. That is main.richkings.com.ng. It has been created already. So to manage the direction, you click here. But to do any other thing, you can just click to manage. But let me show you the other thing I said I'm going to show you, which is to create WordPress, to install WordPress on that subdomain you created now. So let's enter our dashboard, our menu back. We want to install WordPress. Scroll down, click on WordPress. You can create as many as possible. Like I have, if you check the last one now, I have up to 3 or 4 subdomains. So I'm trying to install WordPress on my new subdomain now. So this is where you are going to install your WordPress. So it is asking me to choose my installation URL. Am I going to install my WordPress on richkings.com.ng? No. On my profile, on my store. So I want to install WordPress on my main.richkings.com.ng. So I have selected the main.richkings.com.ng. So you're asking me for my username. Put your username that you are going to log in. You'll be using to log in. Then the password. Put the password. Put your password. Your mail. Put your mail. Then I always remove this, although it's for security purposes, but I know say I don't forget this too. So put your mail, then click on install. The reason why I put my mail here is that they are going to send the WordPress details about the installation details to my mail. So once they send that to me, anytime I want to log in or I forgot my username, yeah, I can just log into my mail and check. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So we are good to go. These are our administrative URL, your WordPress /WP admin. I already know you know how to make use of all this thing. If you check my last video, I showed how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap and how to install WordPress and others. So it's because it just okay, the SSL is still pending now. That is why it's not showing. It's showing not secure. It's still pending now. So you can see these are our WordPress dashboard. That is it. So you can contact Namecheap support for them to install the SSL or fast track it for you to be working effectively. So I think by now you can now create a subdomain using your cPanel and install WordPress easily. So if it's your first time coming to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload another video. See you next time. Thanks.